everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with yet another haul. Hope you're not getting sick of all these hauls, but I just like to keep a record and see what I've got, and then I can look back at videos if I do forget, and then also I like to share what I actually do buy. So without further ado, let's dive in. Well, as you can see, it is a lot of Stamperia goodies here. Create and Craft actually had a Stamperia takeover, so it would be rude not to actually buy anything from there, as I absolutely love Stamperia, and the deals they had was just fantastic. So I know some of them was kits. I have no idea what was in what kit or anything, so I do apologise for that, because it has been a fair while since I placed this order. So yeah, the first thing we've got is some Stamperia die cuts, and it's for the kit Songs for the Sea, and I think that is one of the kits that I did get, so there'll be lots of papers and stuff if I'm right. So we've got lots in there. I'm not going to open everything up because it just made him with all the noise, and I'm sure people would have already seen a lot of what's in these as well. Then I got the 8x8 background selections of Song of the Sea, so I definitely think I'm right in thinking that was the kit. And then we've got some rice paper backgrounds, again, Songs of the Sea. And then we've got this decoupage rice paper as well. It's absolutely beautiful, this mermaid. I hope you can see it without the glare. And then we got a mould to make elements for it. From it's like a big ship, there's a compass, there's a chest, there's an anchor, and then there's some other like fancy bits as well. And then we've got the 12x12 papers, and again Songs of the Sea, and you can see like there's lots of papers here, and these are the patterns here. Saved me taking it all out. So yeah, I'm really excited to get going with this particular collection. And then we have the backgrounds in the same one, again in 12x12, so we're definitely going to have enough to be going on with there. And then we've got another mould, and this is a Textures Impression one. I don't think I've ever used one of these, so I'm going to have to look up how you use it, because it's very, very thin. Again, I'm guessing this was part of the kit, because I wouldn't have bought that otherwise. And then we got the stamp collection to go with this collection as well, so it's a fairly big stamp, that one as well. I don't think I've got any Stamperia stamps, so I'll be interested to see how they stamp up. And then we've also got it in the 8x8, the same ones. Maybe you could see these a bit better if I do it like that and then just go up. I don't know if that's better or not. I do apologise if it's not. And then we've got the ephemera pack as well. We've got some more rice paper here, some Mermaid Song. And then we've got the collectibles, which you cut out on the double sided, so you can have them left or right. So that is just fantastic. I think that's a really good idea. And I don't think I have any of these collectible booklets. If I do, it'd be in the Cosmos one. So there's lots there. Then we've got the stencil here as well, again with the ship and the compass and some text and some netting and some bubbles and stuff. So we've got lots of shells, there's lots on there to go at. And we've got even more rice paper sheets, so this is one with the boat. And then we've got with all like the different circles, like the windows from the ship. Can't think what they're called, but I'm sure you know what I mean. Porthole, is that it? I think that's what I was thinking. Then we've got lots of seahorses and stuff, and like this here is one of the things that's in the mould, so like you can represent that or recreate that I should say. Get your teeth in, Jane. And I'm really gutted that this one's ended up being all mashed up, because this is my favourite out of them all actually, up to now, if there's any more. There's a mermaid. Hopefully I can get it to not be so crumpled, because she's pretty. And then we've got some more background stamps here. And then we've got some rub-ons. And then we've got some chipboard pieces. And we've got another stencil. So I think that must be the whole of that kit, because all that was in one envelope. And maybe I should have just done one envelope at a time, I don't know. But then we've got the Stamperia Fortune, and these are just so cool. I just thought these was awesome. And just thought they'd go really well with the cosmos as well. Some of the pink things in there. And then we've got Land of the Pharaohs, and these are the background selection. They didn't, as far as I remember, this was a kit as well, and they didn't have the backgrounds to this, and this is what they teamed them up with. And Leonie said they went really well, so I trusted her judgment. So we've got that. And then we've got the 8x8 selection as well, and an 8x8 selection in the papers. And then we've got the stamps, which again I'm presuming came with this kit, because I wouldn't have bought them, I don't think, because I don't do red rubber anyway, so for a start. So maybe they did, I did put them in, I don't know, but either way we've got them. And then I bought this ceramic cutter pen, so I'm really excited to try that out, although it looks like I'm missing the top of my pen, which is annoying, but hey ho. And then the last thing we've got is some extra light soft clay, which is the air drying mixed media art clay from Stamperia. So that's my order, guys. I hope you've liked this little haul, and I hope you give me a big thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.